Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup Madras Samayal step by step. Start by washing and chopping 2 carrots, 1 potato, 1 onion, and tomatoes into even pieces. Heat 1 tablespoon oil and temper mustard seeds and curry leaves, then sauté onions until translucent. Add vegetables, Madras masala, turmeric, and enough water to cover. Simmer until tender and finish with coconut milk and lime to brighten. Begin the detailed cooking steps by focusing on prep and tempering for flavor. Chop vegetables into 1 to 1, 5-inch pieces so they cook evenly, and measure spices before you start. Heat a heavy pot, add 1 tablespoon oil, then add mustard seeds and curry leaves until they pop. Immediately add sliced onions and sauté until soft. Then stir in turmeric and Madras masala to bloom the spices before adding vegetables. Simmering and finishing determine the final character of the soup, so watch the pot and taste often. After adding water, bring to a boil, then reduce to a gentle simmer and cook until vegetables are fork tender, about 12-15 minutes depending on size. Taste and adjust salt, add a splash of lime or tamarind for brightness, then stir in coconut milk for creaminess and garnish with fresh cilantro before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.